So here we have the value of a given by log of 18 with a base of 12, and b is given by log of 54 with a base of 24. So using a and b, we need to find out the value of ab plus 5 times a minus b. So let's begin. So we'll start with a. So a here is given as log of 18 with a base 12. We're going to use a property of logarithm that states that if we have log of a with a base b, then this can be also expressed as log of a divided by log of c, provided they have a common base. So let's call it 10. That means in our case, we have log of 18 with a base of 12. So this can be also expressed as log of 18 with a base of 10 divided by log of 12 with a base of 10. Here we are not writing the base 10. So it's assumed that both of them have a same base of 10. Now log of 18, so that's also 9 times 2 is 18, and log of 12 will be log of 4 times 3. So this is equals to, we will use now property of logarithm, which is log of a times b. So that's equals to log of a plus log of b. This gives us log of 9 plus log of 2 divided by log of 4 plus log of 3. So this becomes now equals to, let me write it here. So a will be then equivalent to log of 9. So 9 here we can express it as 3 squared plus log of 2 divided by log of 4. So 4 will be 2 squared. So we have log of 2 squared plus log of 3. The only reason we are writing it in this particular fashion is that if we have log of a raised to the power of b, this becomes equivalent to b times log of a. Right. That means this will be equals to, so we can write log of 3 squared as 2 times log of 3 plus log of 2 divided by log of 2 squared will become 2 times log of 2 plus log of 3. So this is the value of a. So we will come to this a little later because we'll be needing this to solve a particular problem, and we also need to find out the value of b. So let's try to find out the value of b in the same fashion. So we have b is equals to log of 54 with a base 24. So that's equals to log of 54 divided by log of 24, which gives us log of 54. So 54 is, we have 27 times 2 is 54, or we can write 3 cubed times 2 is 54 divided by log of 24. So that's 8 times 3 is 24. So we can write 8 as 2 cubed. So we have 2 cubed times 3. So that's going to be 24. So this gives us b equals to log of 3 cubed plus log of 2 divided by log of 2 cubed plus log of 3. Or simply put, this becomes 3 times log of 3 plus log of 2 divided by 3 times log of 2 plus log of 3. So this is the value of b. Let's label this as equation number 2. Now we will use this value of a and b to find out the value of our given expressions. So let's obtain the value of ab plus 5 times a minus b. So this will be, now before doing this, what we'll do, we'll make a substitution that will make calculation easier. So we will make an assumption that let log of 2 we are going to denote it by x, and log of 3 we are going to denote it by y. So that means our value of a, this will be equals to, so we have 2 times log of 3, so that's y, plus log of 2, which is x. So we have 2y plus x divided by 2 times x plus y. So this is the value of a, and b will be equivalent to 3 times y plus x divided by 3 times x plus y. So let's use this to find the value of ab plus 5 of a minus b. So we'll have 2y plus x divided by 2x plus y. This will be multiplied to b. So b is 3y plus x divided by 3x plus y minus plus 5 times. We have a, which is 2y plus x divided by 2x plus y minus b, which is 3y plus x, all divided by 3x plus y. So let's find out this value. So we will multiply the numerator and the denominator separately. So we have 2x plus y multiplied to 3x plus y. And when we multiply 2y plus x with 3y plus x, we will get x squared plus 5xy plus 6y squared plus 5 times. And when we combine these two terms, we will get 2x plus y multiplied to 3x plus y. And in the numerator, we will have x squared minus y squared. This is going to give us x squared plus 5x. Now we have a common denominator. We can add the numerator plus 6y squared plus 5x squared minus 5y squared. This will be divided by 2x plus y multiplied to 3x plus y. So that value is equals to 6x squared plus 5xy plus y squared. This will be equals to, so we have x squared plus 5x squared, which is 6x squared plus 5xy plus 6y squared minus 5y squared, which is simply y squared, divided by 6x squared plus 5xy plus y squared. So they factor out each other to give us 1. So that means AB added to 5 times A minus B. So this value is equals to 1. So this is the final answer.